So we've already learned that breathing in and out of the nose helps us stay in our parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest, which is going to help lower blood pressure and increase heart rate variability. So this also triggers the hormone nitric oxide. So nitric oxide is what's responsible for vasodilating your veins. And that just means that the veins get bigger so that there is better circulation of the blood. So you're actually increasing this 6 times the normal rate breathing through your nose than if you were to be breathing through your mouth. So food for thought as you're going through this process to take long, slow, deep breaths. We're going to go ahead and practice that with what's called box breathing. So this has actually been a tool that Navy SEALs have used when they're in war and when they're in times of high pressure. So this helps totally stabilize your nervous system. And it's really simple. It looks like you're breathing the size of a box. You inhale for 4, you hold for 4, you exhale for 4, and you hold for 4. So you're welcome to take your hands to your belly again if that helps you to remember to breathe in and out of your nose. Otherwise, go ahead and take a comfortable seat, or you can do this lying down, really wherever you are. So I'm going to go ahead and place my hands on my lower belly. I'm going to relax my body a bit. And I'm going to go ahead by inhaling in for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold 3, 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1, and hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold 3, 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1, and hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4 and hold. Exhale and hold. Go ahead again and hold. Exhale and hold. We'll do one more round. So this is box breathing. It's another tool that you can use to prime your system pre and post surgery, but really any time that you're feeling you need a little extra groundedness.